Awaken Your Feminine Energy meditation and activation. Take a deep breath in here and exhale through your mouth. For this meditation, I would like to have you lying down if that's comfortable. Of course, you can always sit up, but lying down so you can receive with your palms facing up towards the sky, the ceiling, up towards the heavens, the clouds. Deep breath in here, and deep breath out. As you begin to connect with your feminine energy, as you allow your shoulders to relax, your breath to slow down, your eyebrows to relax. Breathe here, so deep. Begin to connect with your breath. Notice if there's any striving. There is a to-do list. I have to do this. I have to call this person. Oh, let me write this down. Oh, let me avoid doing this right now. Stop. Take a breath, a full breath in. And when you can, sip more air in and then exhale through your mouth. Visualize every to-do, every stress, every frustration out through that exhale. And if you have more, breathe it in again. And again. And exhale it out. Spill it all out. Lay it all down. Lay it all down. You do not have to continue holding on to this, letting go. To awaken your feminine energy, we have to release first. So draw any attention to any points in your body that are perhaps holding a little bit of discomfort, pain, frustration. Wherever you're feeling it in your body, bring your attention there. Now ask yourself, ask your body, what do I need to know to release you? What do I need to let go to no longer have you? What do I need to stop believing to be free? What do I need to know to release you? What do I need to let go to no longer have you? What do I need to stop believing to be free? Breathe. And as you breathe and as you connect here, whatever answers, whatever words come up, bring that attention to your heart here. And visualize a white or golden light at the center of your heart. You get to release it. You get to let it go. It no longer has a grip on you. Take these moments of silence to release anything that has been holding you back, that's been pulling you back, that's been pulling you forward, that's been bullying you, agonizing you, stressing you. Let it go. Let it go. Release. You don't need it anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Beautiful. Now we are going to connect with your feminine energy, with your softness, with the flow, with the heart, with any emotions that come up. Start to feel what you want to feel. Perhaps you want to feel relaxed, joy, patient, graceful, gratitude. What do you want to feel? What do you want to feel? What do you want to feel? Who do you want to be? Who do you want to be? And who must you become? And what must you align to? What must you align and connect and trust into? Deep breath in here and deep breath out. When you awaken the feminine energy that's within you, emotions, tears, joy, giggles might come through. Allow anything that wants to come through to come through. Now, can you allow yourself to have a little bit more of that joy, a little bit more of that pleasure, a little bit more of that desire? Can you let yourself have it? Can you give it to yourself? Grant it to yourself. Breathe here. Breathe deeply. Understand and know that it's all working out for you. It always wants you to succeed. It always wants the best for you. Your feminine energy just wants your trust, your trust, your trust. It's okay if there's some friction, if there's some tension, send love there. Send so much pouring love there. Now, as you breathe, by breathing in through the nose for 4 and out through the nose for 4, let your heart settle. Let your mind relax. And bring your attention to your hips, where we awaken your feminine energy. Bring your attention to your hips here. And if you're lying down or if you're sitting, I just want you to move your hips either side to side or forward and back. Whatever feels good, just moving the hips. The hips are where the answers are. The hips are where the pain, the frustration, the agony that wants to release, it doesn't want to stay there. It wants to go. It wants to leave. Let it 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 go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Breathe into that hip point here. Now bring the attention to your heart and let your hips and your heart connect. Trust, having faith, understanding, loving upon yourself. You are so loved and you are so loved. Keep breathing here, keep breathing. And now to really connect with that feminine energy and to hold it into your day, your evening, whatever and wherever you are. Deep breath in. Tighten the body, tighten everything, and then exhale, let it go. Visualize this golden light, white golden light, all around your body, all around your sphere, twinkling, glittery, sparkly, Yeah, feminine energy. You are so beautiful. You are so magnetic. You're so incredible. And you have awakened your feminine energy. Beautiful work.